Each year, the College of Science recognizes the exceptional academic achievements of our outstanding students. This year, we are honored to recognize our scholar athletes and the many students in the College of Science who made it on the Dean's List. These students maintained academic focus and dedication during an exceptionally trying and challenging year. The Undergraduate Dean's List includes those students who have maintained a 3.5 grade point average for a minimum of 12 credit hours during the fall 2020 semester. Those named to the Graduate Dean's List have maintained a 3.85 grade point average over their overall graduate level coursework here at UAH and a 4.0 grade point average over the past 12 hours completed during the spring, summer and fall semester 2020. Scholar athletes are College of Science students who achieved excellence in academic performance by attaining a 4.0 during fall 2020 or spring 2020 while competing as a varsity athlete. We also would like to thank our science ambassadors who model excellence through their quality of academic performance and commitment to our college. Leading by example, they fuel a sense of pride and make a significant impact by improving communication and fostering a sense of inclusion. Each year, the College of Science recognizes one outstanding undergraduate student who exhibits a strong record of academic distinction, leadership, and service to the community. This year's highest undergraduate achievement award is presented to Nicholas Burns. Nicholas is a computer science major and JUMP student who plans to graduate with honors in spring 2021. Nicholas helped found the UAH Taekwondo Club and is currently serving as its president. He served in the UAH Student Government Association as a College of Science Senator for 3 semesters and is a member of the Delta Chi fraternity, where he previously served as the scholarship chair. Since May 19, Nicola has been working as a co-op intern at SAIC. He has contributed to software development, allowing users to have control over camera systems, radar systems, and counter unmanned aircraft systems technologies. We also want to present the following students with the Departmental Undergraduate Achievement Award. Shelby Beckwell from the Atmospheric and Earth Science Department.
Hello, this is John Meskelski from the Atmospheric Science Department. I'm the department chair, and I want to give a huge shout out to Shelby Bagwell. She's one of our top undergrad students. Not only does she have a very good GPA, but more importantly, she's heavily involved in many of our activities, including the NWA, National Weather Association, the AMS local chapter, and as a result, she heavily motivates many other students in the department. So she's very deserving of this award. Thank you very much.
Helen Gibson from the Biological Science Department.
Helen Gibson is one of our better biology students. She's currently a research assistant with Dr. Love Rutledge and also carries out plant tissue culture with Dr. L. Adcock. She currently is a co-author in publication with the Journal of Endocrine Society with Dr. Love Rutledge. In addition, Helen's work experience includes a TA serving as both cell and developmental biology TA and microbiology as well. One of her key activities is Medical Careers Club and also with outreach projects.
Andrew Santel from the Chemistry Department.
As chair of the Chemistry Department, I am delighted to present the Achievement Award to Mr. Andrew Santel. Andrew not only has an outstanding academic record, but also has made a valuable contribution to research and mentoring of other undergraduates. He has mastered the high-temperature organic synthesis of nanoparticles, their characterization and bioassay, which is no easy feat, and as a result of his dedicated research work, he is co-author on a forthcoming peer-reviewed manuscript and part of a utility patent. He is easily deserving of this award. Well done, Andrew, and congratulations.
Nathan Solomon from the Computer Science Department.
It's my pleasure to nominate Nathan Solomon for 2021 Honors Day Under Category Awards. Nathan has been a stellar computer science student. He has been involved with the ACM chapter activities since 2017, and he has essayed many roles as the Vice President and President of the ACM student chapter. And he is in charge of organizing a variety of student activities for ACM, such as invited speakers, inviting talks, hosting programming projects, battle codes, hackathon that we had last year, especially during the virtual year, and also social events and other various opportunities for student participation, recruitment, and engagement. Especially during the COVID year, ACM chapter and Nathan, especially as the president, was in charge of hosting several virtual events that gave students a sense of belongingness, a campus belongingness when everything was shut down. It gave students a sense of participation, a community to be with, at least virtually.
Maxwell Fox from the Mathematical Science Department.
Maxwell Fox is a mathematics major with a computer science minor. He's an excellent student with a 3.8 GPA. He participated in our student-run club, JOT, The Joy of Thinking, and is very interested in theoretical mathematics. In summer 2019, he did a mathematics project, and in fall 2020, an honors thesis project with Dr. I. In addition to this, he's also taken several math classes for honors credit. Maxwell is deserving of Top Scholar honors because of his excellent grades and his willingness to go above and beyond the required curriculum.
Trevor Ollis from the Physics and Astronomy Department.
It's my pleasure to introduce the faculty choice for undergraduate honors in the Department of Physics and Astronomy. Trevor Ollis is a spring 2021 graduate in physics who has made noteworthy contributions in our understanding of how laser light propagates in the atmosphere. The results of his Physics 499 capstone research project with Professor Don Gregory will be used in explaining scintillation and beam wander experimental data that was acquired by previous students at UAH in the past.
Each year, the College of Science recognizes a faculty member who has demonstrated excellence in teaching through creative and innovative methods and who is committed to student success. This year's Teaching Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Denise Niemüller of the Biological Sciences Department. Through her work on the Charger Foundation courses Principles of Biology and Organismal Biology, she impacts more than 800 of our students across multiple majors each year. Over the last few years, she has modernized these courses to integrate best practices like project-based learning and other active learning techniques. She has also taken on the critical task of converting lab-reliant introductory courses in our college to an online format. Dr. Niemüller also teaches to College Academy High students at nearby Jemison High School, further evidencing her ability to connect with and teach a diverse range of students. The College of Science also recognizes a faculty member who has demonstrated excellence in leading-edge research as evidenced by peer-reviewed publications, presentations, proposals, and mentoring students. This year's Faculty Research Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Kevin Knapp of the Atmospheric and Earth Science Department. Dr. Knapp is an anchor of the department who consistently passes on his enthusiasm and passion for weather phenomena to current and former students. His work with the Severe Weather Institute Radar Lightning Laboratory, SWIRL, is not only unique to the state of Alabama, yet represents an outstanding contribution to national atmospheric science research and operational meteorology. Dr. Knapp's wide breadth of research interests has led many students to UAH to seek advanced degrees in the Atmospheric and Earth Science Department to perform world-class, groundbreaking research. We also present the Graduate Teaching Assistant Award to an outstanding graduate student who has demonstrated excellence in teaching and commitment to student success. This year's award goes to Jennifer Dougherty of the Biological Sciences Department under the advisement of Dr. Zachary Kulamber. The Graduate Research Assistant Award is given to an outstanding graduate student who has conducted leading-edge research, published papers in peer-reviewed journals, and presented work in major conferences. This year's award goes to Sebastian Hakima of the Atmospheric and Earth Science Department under the advisement of Dr. Emily Berndt.